As the deadline for marijuana legalization looms, it's causing a headache for condo boards that are rushing to try and ban the use of marijuana inside and outside of properties. Joining us now is Denise Lash, founder of Lash Condo Law. Thank you for being here.
Oh, it's a pleasure to be here.
I got to think that you're really busy these days.
Yeah, well, it's about 6 months ago that we started hearing from condominium corporations, those are the boards of the directors, wanting to know what to do because of legalization of marijuana.
And currently you are representing a woman. She has a deadly allergy to marijuana, which is something I personally had never heard of before. But so you tried to get the condo board to ban smoking it and growing it, but then the condo owners voted it down. Is this a trend that you're seeing a lot of?
Yeah, well, first of all, what happened in this situation is this condominium board, which is what we've been saying over the past 6 months, are trying to pass no smoking rules. That includes cannabis, so tobacco and cannabis. And what they're doing, which is unusual, is they're preventing people from smoking in their units. And this is where it gets very controversial, because people say, it's my condo unit, I could do what I want in it. In this case, the owners requisitioned a meeting and voted against those rules. So as of October 17th, all these owners could smoke marijuana in their units. And here we have a situation, which is my client, Adele, who has an unusual allergy to cannabis, not smoke, but cannabis. So this is where it gets a little tricky, because you've got a corporation which didn't pass the rules, yet you have a woman with a severe allergy, and it could be life-threatening.
So where is this trend going? What are you noticing as somebody who's been surveying this landscape for a while? Is it going to be, are condo boards looking to somehow come up with a compromise, or are they looking to outright ban this stuff?
Well, I think with most of our client condominium corporations, they're looking at an outright ban on the cultivation. Yeah. Because no one wants 4 huge marijuana plants in their unit. You think of grow-ops, moisture, and those plants can get very large. Yeah. I don't know if you know, you've seen them. So that's where most corporations are going. Then what they're doing is deciding whether they should go smoke-free in the units or just the common areas, like the balconies and the general common areas. Most of our clients have been going non-smoking, and that means throughout the units and in the common elements. But what they do is they grandfather existing smokers. Okay. So those who are smoking now for medicinal reasons, marijuana or tobacco, can still smoke after the rules come into effect.
And I've got to think, though, that those who are smoking marijuana for medicinal purposes would have a human rights issue on their hands if they were told they couldn't smoke in their units.
Well, that's true, but in this case with Adele, there is a medical user of marijuana. So this is where the board had to come up with a solution. You know, how do you deal with someone who smokes for medicinal reasons, which could interfere and be a life-threatening situation for our client? They are going to accommodate that, and the medicinal user may be able to, and I'm not sure, not smoke. Maybe there are other forms of oil. So that's something that has to be looked at on a case-by-case basis.
Well, thank you so much for being here today. This is the Wild West right now, and we're trying to understand the rules, whatever they might be. So thank you so much for clearing some of it up for us this morning.
Thank you very much.